Hello, folks, students, and professionals. So let's welcome back and test sales order Bapi creation practical. So in previous session, you will find different ways how to search Bapi and what is Bapi. So these are three ways are sufficient for functional consultant. So there is nothing more to think about that. Let me come back and show you and how to create a Bapi, how to test it before you're suggesting for your technical consultant to move further for any enhancement to communicate with third-party application with SAP. Okay. Without further wasting time, we're getting to the practicals. And if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my YouTube channel. This is what my request. And so this is my channel Rise Your Skills, currently holding 960 videos. And if you really want to learn like S4 HANA, you can learn, you can subscribe my Udemy course, and this is for condition contract management or rebate settlement management course, and a lot of courses like advanced concepts you can try. Stay tuned with me to increase your knowledge. This is my ECC course, 114 hours. I'm just trying to add my uh, all videos over there. This is two practical courses. If you already finished the course, this is for idocs, and this is getting master to write a functional specification. These two are like two courses for pricing. So a lot of courses will be available. I'm just providing these links below this video. So let's try to get into the SAP. So yeah, they said that you can go for any transaction. Let me go to the Bapi transaction. It is a bit slow. Let's run this. So let's wait for a few seconds. It will open. So you can directly, if you know the Bapi, you can directly go to the SC37. Let me go to the sales and distribution here. Sales, please, if you would like to get details, watch my previous session also, how to search Bapi. So here, let me take this, create from data, okay, from here. So all these are the different, objects below this, create from data. Let's go to the, so environment and go to the, what I would say, function builder. So this is how, or else copy this Bapi. Let me show you directly go to, okay. So if you go SC37 also, we can able to open, that's what we have seen. So simply, if you know the Bapi already, if you have knowledge based on your experience, you can copy here, you can see this. And if you display this, you can able to see the, standard code, since it is a standard Bapi. So in real time, what happens, they will copy this, and if it is near, if they would like to enhance that, okay, G starts with a G, some Bapis. Actually, I cannot able to show you because I don't have a real-time system, and it's not, don't show your real-time systems to anybody. So because it will be problem for your job. Anyhow, that's a different story. So this is the code. If you would like to, you can able to read it. If you would like to execute, always come here, either inside of the code or else outside, you can click this button for test and execute. You can test this. Let me show you this one. So you can see this sales document, the value. If you would like to put the number and you can able to open, that is different thing. External number, then you have to give it. Ours is internal number. So this is header in. Okay, let's come here. So what is this? So all these are the different fields. You can be able to see this reference document type and a collect number, your sales area, and all these things. So I don't want to give more data. If you would like to see, so it's a huge header data. You have to fill it. Okay, what are all really mandatory that you can able to ask your ABAP. Without that, you don't want to send the information. Okay, so if you wanted to see this data, you click here metadata. You can able to see all the text actually related to those fields. Okay, customer group, sales district, price list, your sales area, and all those things. So this is for metadata. So you can able to see this. And if you'd like to fill in a column level, just for single entry, just click this. So here, uh, I'm just giving the document type. Mine is divar, okay, and give the sales organization. So this is sales organization, and this is distribution journal. I'm just giving simple data. If you want, you can able to fill the data. So this is the mandatory. Like I'm just giving this, and if you come back, you can able to see this. Since it is filled, okay, you can able to see the data. Okay, whatever the data we entered, that you can able to see here. Okay, this is one thing. And header data I just given. Let's give the partner data. Okay, let's go to the partner data. Here, what we can give your sold to party. Okay, and let's try to do one thing. Let me try to check BA03. I'll try to give the sold to party. So basically, what it talks about, you can able to give your sold to party here. I didn't remember the sold to party. I'm searching in my table. So let's come back. So I think you are seeing you're watching the same screen, what is required. Okay. So just give this one, the center. This is one thing. If you really wanted to enter other partners, like generally we have a ship to also important, right? You just give these two. Okay. So if you want, you need not fill all these things. Just come back. Sold to and ship to. You have given see two entries I have entered, right? That's what it is talking about. So let's try to give item details. Okay. Let's come here. What is the item number? So like I would like to give, this is the item number. Okay. So what else I want it? Maybe the material I supposed to give. Material is something like, I'm just giving 1 to 4. Okay. I'm just giving. So let's give some quantity, target quantity. So I'm just giving minimum fields. Later you can able to give if you want it. So let's give some 10 quantity here. Let's come back. So any Bapi, like it may be purchase order Bapi, sales order Bapi, what are the important things you have to fill? So it's not mandatory to fill all the details. So these many texts, even if you are checking order text, you can able to fill. So if you'd like to fill the conditions, okay, you can able to fill it. So let's try to execute this one. So what it is saying, so with these details, okay. So probably what are the values it is returned, you can able to see here. Let's click here. V1 sales document. If error is there, it is coming like this. So where is this one? Oh, 1 second. Okay, let's do one thing. I have given a wrong field. Let's come back. Okay, here I need to give the document back. So is it a doc type? I think this seems to be document category. Let me check. See, this is where the wrong is there. Document type supposed to be. So we're not referencing right now directly we're giving. Okay. So let's execute now. So if it is mistake, it shows errors. That's the beauty of Bapi. So it is processing now. So now see this. Previously it was not there. Sales document 657, it is got created. So if it is saved, it will be saved. But actually, if it is working, you can ask about. You can able to see this. So sales header has processed successfully, item processed successfully, and sales order 657 has created. Okay. So if that is the case, then okay, let's come here. Okay. What are all the resulted values here? If you see this, okay, this is the thing. Okay, let's come back and let's try to see more values. So item level, you can able to see this, the material is this one. So the 10 quantity is fine. Okay. So this is what with this 10 quantity it's supposed to create it. If you don't fill mandatory fill, it has chances to get failed. Let's come here, 2 entries. So the partner sold to ship to also successful. If it is successful, it comes like this. Okay. Uh, if you try to save, also it is asking something like, test 1, 2, 3. I'm just giving, but it will not create. It's not real-time system, right? So let's go to VA03. So it is archived. So like, see how it is. If it is supposed to be commit to the database, it's your ABAP will help you. Okay. So this is the only way you can able to test your Bapi and you can play with the system. Okay. If you really like this video, if you really want more videos like this, please subscribe my channel and this is how you can able to test it. If you want, you can able to test change also. You can give it a try just for testing, right? We're testing. So we're not commit means it will save to your database. We're not going to do that we cannot able to do that until unless if you don't have help with your app. Thank you so much. You can do the same thing for your purchase order. Don't worry about BAPIs and all those things. So your technical folks will help you out if you don't know also. But somehow it will be helpful for your interview, at least if you know the transaction code. That's what maximum expecting from your side. But see, this testing will do it. For example, in real time, so Bapi is created. Testing in SE37, functional consultant will test like this. Thank you so much. If any issues are there, we can touch with our app. Have a great day.